Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on HONOR X5c Plus. First, check your cable if it isn't damaged in any way and if it's compatible with your phone. Then clean the charging port right in here, but do it with non-metallic tools, so like wooden sticks, Q-tips, compressed air, something like that. You can test your charger with another phone or this phone with another charger. Go into the settings and type in update, software updates. Now check for it right here. And if you have any, then download your update. As you can see, your software is up to date right now. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.